Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to cut and trim audio in Audacity. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. Open Audacity and make sure you have your audio in the timeline and that you have stopped recording. First, I'll show you how to remove audio. For example, you may want to remove a section within the recording. All you need to do is click and drag from the start point to the end point of the area you want to remove. It should be highlighted, and then if you hit the backspace key, this section will be removed. The same method can be used from the beginning or end of a track to remove these sections. If you only want to keep a certain part of the audio, select it with the same method as before, but this time click on this tool here called Trim Audio Outside Selection. Instead of removing the highlighted audio, only this audio will be kept. To split parts of your audio, select the area you want to split, and then right-click on it and choose Split Clip. You can use the keyboard shortcuts or right-click to perform cut, copy and paste like you would do in any other program. That's how to cut and trim audio in Audacity. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.